If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial f of x is equal to 5x square minus 6x plus 1, then find the value of alpha plus alpha beta plus beta. Okay, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what is the a value? 5. B value is minus 6. C value is 1. Okay, this can be rearranged as alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Fine, I have rearranged. Next, what is alpha beta? It is minus b by a. So let me write here minus b by a plus, what is alpha beta? It is c by a. Okay, c by a. Now take LCM. Both the denominators are same. So write minus b plus c divided by a. Fine. Right here minus. What is b value? Minus 6. What is c value? It is 1. And a value is 5. Fine. Minus into minus is plus. So 6 plus 1 divided by 5. So how much is that? 6 plus 1 is 7. So the final answer is 7 by 5.